I've been up all night and I'm freaking tired. Welcome back, guys. We got the 69 Camaro in here for Kurt Yeager. It's officially going back to Rob for all the final assembly. I think the only thing it's going to come back for at some point is windows. Other than that, I've been up about 27 hours working on this car straight. And yeah, I'm still going to go deliver this thing today. So we did have it color sanded and polished before, but as things sat and as the clear cured, it actually has shrinkage that happens in that, and what it looks like over time is basically orange peel. So when I went to do the final assembly of the car, I wasn't happy with the way the finish of the car came out. So I went back through yesterday, I don't even know what time I started, 5 a.m., and I've been reworking all of the paint on this car, going all the way from 1,000 grit back up all the way through 8,000 grit. And as you can see, it definitely made it worth it. So with that, I'm done talking. Enjoy the view of the car.